Examples of utilizing sunshades to expand natural daylight. Welcome to Building Knowledge 101. Join us as we showcase real-world examples of utilizing sunshades to expand natural daylight.
So daylight views have been a growing part of construction in the past few years. You can see an example here of a case study from Fayetteville High School in Fayetteville, Arkansas. The design team wanted to really maximize the amount of glazed area for the benefits of natural daylight coming to the interior. So you can see the sunshades added all to the exterior there to shade the elevations and cut down the amount of glare on the interior and direct light coming through, possibly bringing heat with it. But they expanded the glazed area, maximized daylight, because you can see from all the studies we started out talking about, educational facilities benefit greatly, both teachers and students, in performance, turnover, absentee rates by increasing natural lighting on the interior. Another project here, Eastern Virginia Medical School building, also wanted to incorporate greater amounts of daylighting and wanted to reduce direct sunlight coming through. So you can see these elevations, they've got shades projecting out. And since the sun is coming in at an angle, they've got the vertical shades on one side of each window. So they're looking at blocking both overhead direct sunlight from above and morning sunlight coming in from the side. That is all we have time for in this video. If you'd like to watch more of our 101 video series, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Kawneer Company, Inc.